Yamo achibi mama akwabade Adom TV so braso se yede Badwam Mpensenpensenmu eto awoso na ene fiada so eboja ye ene nso ena abroyi puma kwa mu yenua be makwabena Asante ne papa na wotweda no eba so Kumasi Rich Park danyame baabi aka ne na kotokofo eyo mutwe ni sojafo ne park no so no nti ye pon ya na chese ye toa abusua Kumasi na akohwe na opani na wotweda ye di amana ye fe arapa ye fa na se manwumakuo ye omadama ye de mpensenpensenmu dwumadi ebrewei Hepa Plus mixture medical kan se ni pedikwa so tena ho ya de ansa abribia no wo ho bambofo bia obedi wakagina mu opom den ho a na Hepa Plus mixture se 3D na ya de afiafia no ni ade be betre chan so de bobia bribia boost immune system no na ensanya do wankiti bi kura na enyi ne ho adi wo nipadua no eroda nchen a Franco Trading Enterprise eto phone papa laptops printers and a phone and what can na kind accessories no a free screen echo cover echo case no ne chargers ni ade no and only accessories ni nyina wo mo a di good drug so ni ade tonton nyina Franco Trading Enterprise and o mkutu no sanse utumom fofofo e Franco TV Franco air condition and also so no enya samketo bodwuma na ne bo no so wo fom ko www.francotrading.com and na say obeko Google Play Store na download Franco Trading app no adwuma ni ti e wada braka Roses in manhwe mo na ne nkrabata ne de doso papa Kumasi Unicorn House ana wo kwase da house no wo mo nkrabata ne bi so e wo mfimfi ho Kale Charcoal toothpaste e ya pose soronko kane ne de body tray wo nsie isisi a na ye de bidi ahim na wo de pose se ya ne wo de body tray ma akoda wa hwa wato abo enti na mpedifo adwene ho se yebetimi aye no abefo pesi bi a chese umia na ote a eto brush so a wo de apose kama eno ne Kale Charcoal toothpaste ye wonkoda de ne wompani de se de wo se na ye bia wo de hyase fatwitwi wo sensonsuya bam wo no mu nka bibia ebeko kama City Blood Tonic enye mojadru bia enye mojadru o mojadru a yenom ema ne ye o mojadru so anom a ekofa asem bere wachiri nu nti ne ye Kamfo City Blood Tonic e de ama say Dr. Kachiro so hia mojadru a bomodian ne pe ye City Blood Tonic on madam ne di dwumadi e na pe ma me fa na se ema CJ Fashions e wo Kumasi amakom wona ahya matade se ye se party se wedding day unya African wear papa nko ade a CJ be twa bi e de ama kama friend 0268 505021 0268 505021 na midi na say Ampofo-Adjei na yenkwe na yemfa yenkomodie ni hye so a mewo eye opening kese pa e ba ko ha no se ya odi akotene e wo NDC amanyoko zungu kokos no mu a se sei wate asim sans why communication na che experience wa gain over the years no alaji se afi obeko no akwa deputy communications officer wo omo abato obeba nyame ya Adom a somewhere in November no alaji memo achi amakwaba
na ya dawase
apodum ti say
alhamdulillah ya nyankopon ase
all right mse se no focus no minim se zongo ne de untimi nya nemu but opese oba into mainstream communication take charge of party communication ye papa sana mate wa pick forms so there because minim se omabie nomination no
nyame ya Adom ama endra yetumi epeke your forms yeguswa ye feeling you have 2 weeks to finish 14 days na yako file a nomination ayebibia na meno emprebebri no the issue no say we the third time I'm contesting for the Deputy National Communication Officer of our great party, the NDC. Indeed, the previous election, you know, me Lucy with just a little vote, about 60 votes or so. Enti metiase say na dodo ano pese me be edwumade.
So be edwuma.
Enti anya wanwa say me wie na party na nkasa nso frɛ me. Ebo ma ba so de me ka the National Executive Committee as the National Zongo Caucus Communication Officer. Enti ewo mua na ye wono enti me move call the main Deputy Communication Officer me gidi say na zongo edwuma no enja afi kura na menya position a me be ka say mo no say na sefata na yede akoyi ni enti bibi a me de megiri se enye se ye ja zongo no ato nkyɛn na ye koye main communication no na ya boa ni enti a ye beboa no se 2024 enya abatwa ye de ebedi agro I was say yasem it to me do every nook and cranny of this country no bia to me ya na adwe utimi ye dan ma asem no ekọ radio de wo bebo e bia na mo bono twi kasa ukodu zongo ni mu a eye to do ana ete ase yi ukodu the northern regions a eye twi kasa na omoka as ukọ nkran potem na ye nkran kasa no a eye twi kasa nkwa na yeka nyame aye me adom nti me ba as deputy communicationer me be boa me communication officer na aduma enhira nyankopon de ma me no me nso mu de abetu dwa
azo timi kasa hodo no
abebri
kasa do be say na oka
o me ka be 7 Ghanaian languages me kodu Volta region anye hwe kura no metimi atwa omodi ehuma mo hu se me so me ka omo hu mara kuku na me kata me da ko na me omo beti ase yesan se makotena ho 3 years ye du nkran fo kromu nkran kromu a ne wo mo pese ye kan kan kura me ena me ka ho a metimi aka nkran no eja ke wo we ga ke okoke Mohamed ekomi abeje eja ke amefe no kokomi ni na wo mo ate ase sanso na me kodu north ho na enye house akura no a mbi fete lolo ache wa tabi loma yimbi logunta ka fete kiwi ni 2024 so hu America no me yekodu fantifo mu a yenwanu fantifo ze yen nyina na ye ka homa oye what say fa hashia me wodi nipa no wodi ye so hu America no which means me wo bibi a me call the whole of this country a me
my
communicate in a language they understand.
No, is done when people understand
the language. Now one thing psychologically, what is the obiti me kawo kasa uji ni di esan se otumi bo o to kasa oni mo amamre obebo ho ban so on ya meka no na me duzo ngudi an say yefi
yeah
yan waye na aka di don Allah mu taimaka mu
dona the communication ya nyina no a
eno na ya kan sisi ano enti eno na ya bibi surunko any the fact say I also come across as somebody who would add maturity and institutional memory at the communication department of the NDC as it stands today. Indeed, those are the various things that made me say, me say me dey bo afore Emma NDC, the Oma Omai Ghana, Emma yehwe ne kanko.
Alaji me that say na a former national third vice chairman Edema NPP or your former constituency chairman Ayawaso West Wogon and Waka communications team of the party who since chairman Omare Wadie any Dian Rona the friend any if free friend the chairman and then would be chairman and need so chairman
once a chairman always a chairman.
That's right
once a soldier
always a soldier now Boko there.
Na me adom boko.
Na how na how phone you?
Ojapo.
Apo be. Apo let's just go there. Apo be na boko ju. Oh let's just go. Apo be na boko. Ana wa apo be. Ojapo.
Chairman, Apo mti say.
Na me adom. Ane mo mpaibo. I think it ya no grass bo bompa.
Na MPP who here?
Yes, MPP there join so work nana sana nana yana ya lunch card no say
biometric cards membership cards.
Yes. It's yet to hold long ago but finally it made napi na me encourage you no bia na say matter some ball mafia on ball mafia na we are just come home we settle the differences now.
I like to see on born mafia.
Oh, mafia bebre because omo bebre. Did why you know how country my body had and then there's a was so come but still.
I'm a man.
Oh, what did you my body had and then attempting to tell the whole world say GM and then they cause so the mafia be a cause of papa. I say oh him was a bebre to go.
One is a bit
I don't bomb mafia brutal. Most constituency officers will go, most regional officers will go, national officers. What a chairman for the deal.
Oh, and say, and contest no mo ko na amanfo yi o
me say what munsem sa na meka
munsem de kakra bi
wo maso na magu ho na je say wo de hwede be koso papa no ne mafia de wa wonim we are done with our polling station, constituency, region, and national elections. They are coming the next 1 year, presidential and parliamentary. Parliamentary, yeah. And Yegusu are trying muta penifua also beka. But we are very, despite the COVID, despite the Ukraine, despite the dollar CD, despite we are solidly and confident that. This one to shall pass. Okay. And we will assign a nice one. Now, as a nation, we move forward.
All right. But Alaji.
But yeah, just to chip in something, very important to say, throughout JM career as a political person, Onko bi biada, Anko Kachiri will be say, Yentuaba and Maisibesi. There's no such record. But Ofan and Adwa, I can tell you just 2020 election. Na you see wo Adanse area the Deputy Speaker of Parliament. Omoko jina ho ka say man to abama no. Na we and ope. John Dramani Mahama doesn't have that record.
What shall we do about that?
Inti say
what shall we do about that?
What the nyoma say. Na obi hu say yeku yenim. Na obi ani man kre. Emre bia na Ghana for enhu na nadu na etimi twa nto to John Dramani Mahama so na ene Ghana for asuanza omo yemu odu
no akasa akere so ka se obi ase
John Dramani Mahama enye sada we don't have any record mama me kana na de mama typical example
so we are MP
Yehudi wo Eastern Region. One one kasa chairman no wo ho. Wo person contest. Ye dey obi buy say na na candidate.
NDP's popularity critically low in Ashanti Region, NDC. Andra, one call for communications team of Ashanti Region led by Nuruddin, Air Communications Director of Ashanti Region, Abbas Nuruddin. A year press conference watchere say omampani ba oba santimantem few days ago or free ho ne or start Eastern Regional tour bibi ada di pefe say NPP omo popularity e wa Ashanti Region no ati ahwe form minimum indicators are communications team boss in Ashanti Region ojina so I hope say we no inside and dey bia oba more information. I didn't know so they are no because you to aba nti
very simple. I'm say first of all scientifically my young can say na ye kasa track ewuku events ejumoku aworo bebri na aye research I tell say NDC popularity especially your candidate His Excellency John Dramani Mahama for 2020 you know ye bo GDA say Osambe Bimo betimi atwaso for 2024 is becoming more popular than the other political parties, especially when you compare him to the MPP. Or share ratings in about 60, 70, even within the MPP. There is a research in Dra Ebetuja say even within the MPP, about 45% of the MPP people believe say they cannot win against John Dramani Mahama in the so those are scientifically proven factor. A back statement, Minua Abbas Nuruddin, the communication officer of the Ashanti Region. Now, moving forward, me call Ashanti Region. I say yeah, registration, branch, and elections. You know, me call Juma ewa Ashanti Region. Bibi ede me call ye Kwabre East. Me call Kwabre East. Who the number of voters Ghana for and I say Ashanti Region. If we Kwabre East, Yadema Omampenyin and Ando Danko Akufo-Addo, Nini MPP political party. Adia Bakuma Womo Esuhu Bebre Eya Kwine. Mitime Catcher Oshe, Oko Kwabre East. Now offer the main capital ye Mampontin. And here so Mampontin Ewana Kutawo. Ufriwa. The rest na kanina not as young kwan no kra yan kan say rural road ena e bia excavator bi abetwa so na cars to me fa so eno kra bi no mako o kwa kopem Sir John Krum ho aye sakra wonu obehu after Sir John ni fie omufie ni ade esi ho a wo behu ne say o wa ba krum Sir John ni tum wo ho obi so abesi tum fufuro a one Sir John compete wo obeto aso akodu antoa ekrokese na meka wa Ashanti tradition mu obekwa akodu antoa the same thing, the same bad roads, nothing obefem wa akofa Kenya ase asaba hwian so asaba we no ni nyina kwan no munye enti nkofo we esu se anka yenye kwan ma won oti ni president ka kire wo. It is so obvious. Say MPP as a political party, and you're ready, say they are going into the 2024. Say ye koto aba. Na ya kenkan aba no you be win na we win. Because say sadia anka me expect say you first say kwabrefo a raise issue in the Ashanti region say anka dey EPD. Na when to me ayama omo kra no a sa and the sapata say president and omo kasa say and the baby omo ko person omo ko to baby aye omo asem emfa no no bia ntumi emfa abato entata enye emboni enhuna no but question na me bisa no say enye omampanyin na ado dan kwa Akufo-Addo ya ene no ne nam paga na fo acho se wo mo nso no nhwe ene ya so na hwe wi a obi ehu ne say ono na wa bon kan ye president bia to say na ado dan kwa Akufo-Addo in this country asemwa obeka kire asantefo no na mesere me bisa
say wa bon kan onye sure say too harsh
say where the be wo ho a essence say wa bon kan kameka because that is his position wa bon kan he understatement because me hu o man peyin a wa betina ade so na Ghana fo bre na ye ka kire yen say Ghana fo ade ba ko a ha yen taste say de bia ye pese ye kofa amano ne nyoma na ye di dollar na eko no de ye play na ya to amano onu se na do ka ho na dollar nsensem na ba dia ewo we ye play na ya to amano anka odi pet ye za fuel ebegu mu keke na odi akọ na wetuatua airport charges na obeye no o so no on pay no na wa kofa play na every 1 hour odi $20,000 sa $20,000 Ghana $2 if onya de potua enti president wa bon kan ya me hu bi dade obi eni wa nanadu no betumi a compete in that area but that's not the case. Maybe say Ashanti for no and I say Ashanti region no more the number of voter obi ama obi da no yan kwahwe sa kwabre east no na yan hwe chebi baby ofi kwan no to say what has changed, what has happened, and say chebi no ebetime nya wo mo kwan etumi nya bibi biara ye fan wo ko abekasa abrochiri house of chiefs so club house so ye friend say ni na ye twitwa ma wo na kwabre for ebisa kwan me say some of the road me kai I was with honorable Betime Idrisu ye kodu wo ye si form etransuo ansa ye tumi kodu ye friend say John Ekrum. This is the nature of the road. No more raising issue. Wo katro wo say wo mo ntumi mfa no entity wo na wo mo pese wo mo ko vote obi bia wo mo be vote me gidi say obi bia ro e badwemba enim say sa kasa wi ense fata say penyin be kasa nti say penyin kasa say na me katro ne say wo bon kan ya na my mistake be me ye mistake bia. That aside bisa won so say the same Ashanti region one issue ane e di Ghana fo nya eye galamsey. No less a person than your friend say otokoko so wankasa and ene ogina wo oku hontokwa se Ghana fo nhwe senia nyoma no esiko no emwaye ma menka bibi nkyerɛw emra na Russia fo edi nsem etudwa se enye omo ena omo ko se Ghana problem ena omo kyerɛ yen nyoma wohura ye import fi ama wohura bebri onim se na nsuo ka ho nsuo aye no mu ya starting importing ba Ghana. Na me bisa Ghana for say ne wo ko public toilet kura no ane akodu 5 cedis 50 pesos 1 cedi 2 cedis. Na nsuo nso ye be kra na aba the ordinary Ghanaian obeda nya nsuo ano a survive it because you say water is life. All these issues you know on address here there is not a single road map so clear say obi ehun say okay you to me for kwan we so a ye be akodu ye destination obi ehu ye untimi nka bibia nkyere ye untimi mfa bibia mbetu dwa na ni a wo be ka ne se ye to aba ma wo ya mfa ma ho a en how ana se mfa ho a na te say clearly what we say nipa no wo give you up na we give you up no so na ye bibia bibia obetimi aye ho bibi because before omampanyin na do be kwa kodu Ashanti Region the critical issue e wo ho no ene say eduadefo atutu om shop no the day before omutu shop no the next day no call e intinia me ma dwe mukura me can say oh this man is being smart e bia okopekwan bia ye be solve this problem okọ what say oni eduadefo no aye meeting bi da no meeting nothing emfa no then eduadefo no eka eduadefo no say sika eye dollar wo mo ne koto nyoma eba krom ha ebe ton ma yen sa dollar no ene okwa ochina ye betum ochirechi ye betum ene nam 13 ko 14
but Ashanti region the main reason for closure of shops no na enye dollar ne per se but no more issues with GRA. That was the basic issue.
The dollar is one of the issues.
Meaning say dollar ne dey the national the phone nyina was issue but the closure of shops ne dey na GRA no and a main issue
the taxes. They are moving from production from taxation to production. And no solve the problem of the country. Sa buying and a taxes again to prove my position. A catch on say yenye demonstration send your bear Ghana phone to your VAT under NDC. That sad demonstration will be craft for mu ewuye. Your train will be train and was demonstration. Now that you better Obama on our ban. Sa VAT na ye just 3% and then what moving it to a 5%. The same VAT when you say what the tax for something different. You better say you're moving from what he protested against to something newer. You say the same VAT, what to? Why and 5%? Look at what the COVID tax about 1%. Abeka what the border tax 1%. Where you new taxes oh. Ni John the man Mahama eja ye na now friends your friends the nuisance taxes no. Back home a stabilization fund. To say ye the tax kakran 2% be to so. Wo by 2017 na nka wo say be. Wo omampanyin na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo since 2017 na wo ba ebe payment dey tax no to da so wo ho and dey kura ye bi ayeden aka ho am before they are not making profit ni entia anka omampanyin anase na be di chire enye omo e bisa questions
me say first mame mesaba ho bi
okay mate but you see to end it all we and na what problem I work Ashanti Region think is the president and the core, we would hear clear-cut solutions. When to me, clear-cut solution, you be say timelines. No piano, edichi. Name say.
But a commission, you must have a man from say now, yeah, you may be so. And one come home. But the mess about the debut, or commission your manual, number beside say, Waji, or no one man paying Waji over 400 billion. Obiani bida. Our commission. John the man Mahama. I can give you one thing, John Mahama. I Ashanti Region. Near Wako commission in our ember. Get it your market. All right.
Get it your market.
All right.
Near Wako commission in our ember.
But your mami. Ashanti Region. Mo fancy go forms are.
Yo, Mama Nasi, I'm in Sanchia at for ne Ashefo. Among a year. Say, you say Ghana independent. You do about 60 years.
Yeah.
And this is for 60 years of our independence. No. Omatna Baimu nearly half. Omatna Baimu since independence. And this is for Atna Baimu nearly half of the period. Rawlings the 19. Mills Mahama at the 8. Ever source. Nay. Now no ne abetra say Ghana kwan enye what the half since independent half what's the Ghana kwan enye who are you blaming who are you accusing Mufia ban mu kwa be 5 years in the pen is he telling you and I catch that Asante for and they was quite better what now and they or say a quiet almost yeah the females no more be better as I say. I mean, when we are talking, the people in Ashanti region, yeah, more a hikakra. Almost okay. Almost nim. The oko catch them, maybe a chum. Mumanin swadi. Yeah, dear Mamma Kramonkai, yeah. That's what President John Mahama said, told Ashanti region. The Guko ta cry, the gold Gumuka and the cry, but didn't so. Only okay. In so they did just about 500 kilometers of road in the whole of Ashanti region. And by Mfie couldn't see over 1,108 kilometers of roads. Yeah, Ashanti region. Naminoka say, oh no, Mampani coin and say, yeah, the biggest and largest we Pokuasia, I don't know, so I'm interchange. Kokore Kumasi Airport. Buankra, President Akufo, and the Yesi ho. Buy 3 money free so. Started. Mukasa mon ferry money. Well, yeah, most Ghana for yeah. I don't want to kind. Ziani refia there. You can keep talking and talking and talking. From so don't go so can because Asante for refi. Could not hey Mukruma there, Yakwan there, yeah, and tell me. Me quite major thing Ashanti region NDC for yeah. They will say go see Tatam Park. Tatam Park why about the call?
Rotary Park now.
Road was the one why. That be almost a rat. They were opposite.
Rotary Park. And yeah, I go into
live. What order? What you more order? Fine.
My coho once, yeah.
Now, I know somewhere market. But go and check what we are doing. The good thing or the well, I won't call it good.
Almost some market, and
I'm say they are how many say yeah and drop. They are here near Bejna near we MPP for that is well, it's a challenge, especially when it comes to politics. But if we decide to list projects, investments, they core Ashanti region, you don't match. Even with your nearly 30 years in power, you don't match.
But say
now go and check.
Yes, you obi no madro my phone. Why yes, I knew man.
And I make
some of us answer na president man no.
Meba. Maka make ya me problem man say ya entimin dayanu. Anema ya cry entimin ka. But when the woman here crying, I got to green book me address you. Yeah. Won't this come as airport on there? Book was it? I want this woman here. Motorway, won't this woman here? That is the NDC for you. And these are the kind of people we are dealing with. But for where I sit, for what I know, the level of development and infrastructure.
I'm my training also.
And near man, you mapa, Akufo-Addo, you see, a walk, Ashanti region, Kumasen. A lot of choir, yeah, Ashanti region. Meaning say, and yet enough. I am aware. We can do more, and we are doing more. But attempt to suggest to say, yeah, by any other say, I can't do that. Meaning to. See, we know quite. More on will know quite, and Akufo-Addo will know quite by. But go and check. At least be a quite. What is left is there. Your friend is saying, well, the last time I went there, minimum of what Gusu Krampa. The Akaye, a Kotano, almost.
But throw no quite pictures this year. No, one time maybe I be a quarrel. But throw me
the last time I call here, say John Freeman. By that time, no magic quino.
Thank you. Don't wait, quino.
No magic quino.
So imagine, say, by that time, no more you quite payment. I fear payment net. No moon ye be our quino. So just imagine quino fast.
A year into the quino.
Of course.
Or my chairman class.
That's your calamity. But me, Dean, I'm a cream phone, I'm a vessel. Men pep bufus and BNT, I'm a him phone. So, won't to me also your phone. So,
Debbie,
because we no kwan no wo kura say John koi say John time no ni ya biemu kakraka wo be kai ye bie kwan nim that ben no call was nsuo ekofa no si ka ndimi ankogu no. You tell us. Yes, there are some inner city, Kumasi, greater Kumasi there. I know a lot is going on there. But if I have a challenge, your friends, my son, you know, well, I start Kumasi no. Some of the areas are very terrible. I know. But like the president said, we are working on it. But we cannot do every road to say, I saw for area no. Go, no. Ghana kwaya no nyasa na betimi aye no. Akufo-Addo nyaya nka Accra Kumasi to courage. Me say I've sat down with we know. But the problem is the funding, the resources. But nkakra obi abinyande baby o kan say me ya we say the ma contractor. The man is mobilizing to go to site. But I know sometimes impatient you think say we should have done everything because we know how to do it. Yes. To him, Nipa Unimadia, to the BIA expecting more from Sanipan. But Yadamas Muji, see a bit to me, I enter mother pressure and Bassi and Yibiano. But these people, we know them. They know Matnada. They know Masida. Oma bet Transuda. There's sumu fear almost in fears here. Almost Salamu. And they are telling you, say, yes, I'm for mom. We kept telling them, say, and yes, machine in any hole, toffee or good machine, about 10 year produce power. Yet there's sumu. You think these people, when they come, over Trump, say, now, Johnny, come a young at this one, because I tell petrol, your sunlight, I hope you say we will not get there. Yes. Yes. We will not get there. Where this same person we know, John Dramani Mahama, who says, "On no crowd that throw you," was say, "But the bicycle crowd, yeah, no, so on one person that throw you or tap you, or say, "Me the bicycle, so yeah, me quite me, more break and as me as later bicycle as later." Empty. The alternative is scary. The alternative is scary. Make an example.
I say, Ebia, dear, you need that one channel. The devil you know is better than an angel you don't know. But with this angel, we know. This angel that they are talking of, we know. Yes, there are challenges. And President Akufo-Addo can say, yeah, and then you say, Sabre, but 2 years in Wabaimu. Banker caught that time where there was nothing like rocker, and then the whole world, Britain. Macken can have a beer, Britain. Wow, only there also. I brought Brony Chromo. Brony, I saw the Dinians and Bayern. Quite the echoes on the chrome. And not only there, several other countries. Yes, we have been hit very hard because we champion development. We put a President Bayo say, I am in a hurry. So the second Juma Bebre yet to your bossy. A relaxing and the critic car flax and the Namwa and we wouldn't have been here. But because we wanted to do more, we had a lot at stake. We had Ghana ya catch the dodo. Until now, the year communica. I said, "How can I meet that?" Mengo be babe hun crofo eko.
I look didn't way. But the economy 5,000 cross country, cross country no be that. Cross country no, kakra. But pentemwa, you speed up and you need a lot of energy. And that's what. And unfortunately,
you say more short to gas, more short to energy.
No.
Say okay, dear.
More speedy.
More speedy. And America said we were speeding up. And your friends said COVID in the Ukraine, boom. So at that time, you had used a lot of
energy.
There are better things to come.
But you understand, say baby, we enye kra.
Who tells you I don't? I'm a Ghanaian. What about 20 be? Menim de akoso.
Dollar yi.
Me se menim de akoso.
Nkomo amanfo di say as money antidote bia bibia no ambetimi aye.
I mention ade back. If you want us to move from Ashanti region. Ashanti.
Okay, what do you
Miriam. Ashanti region. Yes. Ghana, Ashanti ni wa, baby any ho. This Ashanti ni Ghana ha, baby any ho. Cocoa, mudem, golda, mudem, diamond, box, baby mudem. We can't do without you. And a better they say nkrofo and the propaganda bet na Kumasi they said that tria say journalists be how we could tria mo am ko radio so no more kagum ni same you know and don't believe them.
Why na see tria ska ma journalist.
Me dem hu ye wa me be tia na be kan bi wa na me hu ye. And I miss make up.
That's how I tell some young fanya some oh credible person you kwase bibia wo fa na so can be.
What much?
Ana
what much?
Say me tie no bia ba say o my wa dey the oyesese then Miss Master take can be. I wouldn't do that.
And someone
and obi hu fi na egu nti onyi sa evidence ne facts na don't
obi na
and I can say
and mo dey to as ye hwem and ma hwem and ma kan
na me say dey wunim
na wunim facts o dey beto am kan dey wo na dey beto ha any wo na dey beto ha na ma kan na me ko tu
tell me dey to aso
enti o dey no kra munya nya no kra so ya pamacho. Let's hit on the because Ghana any idea. Kumasi, yes, you asked me about what the president said. You see, sometimes the way people, like the president said, and was shelter to me. Now I saw some bibia me na me show the no. That's I had drink a crack. You didn't say kwabre here kwine, kwabre here so. Kwabre hian kania, kwabre hian suku, ya ye suku adan ne bi ho, ya ye kania ne bi ho.
Emfa na mo ye suku adan kwabre. Emfa.
You see,
Alaji, mane ko.
Ya ma
o twa ntwa me hu. But you can't sit here and say omunye suku ba kokra kwabre. That one.
Me prepare. I just went there last week. Don't tell me.
But you can't sit here and say omunye just one.
If he says Omo school Ashanti region, it's different thing.
And I make say, but you can't sit here and say Kwabre Omo even one school. What any time, relax.
And not what I'm saying.
Relax.
No relax. School.
Relax.
Just mention to them.
Relax. And you be you understand? So he might not to hold you for him. So he's saying school Alaji.
Mention the town.
Alaji Nasiru. Manin Twasu. Chairman Twasu.
Wait.
Chairman Twasu.
Like I was saying, we have done it a lot, and we know the needs. Obi and who bet me catch them to DC or to the Chrome and I MPO ni Chrome any problems at all. But and a crank a crack. Yes, and I know na swami. And the more quiet, and the omo interview. Yes, and near money go kwemu, but yen to me yen in other place mother. The name of the honor there by a demands on echo. Say Papa waiting and crop for Bessa Badie at the Baraka.
All right, Eti Alaji Nasiru so mame na economic hardship. Chamber of Pharmacy administrating cash and carry system. And they say pharmacy for more running more businesses, you know, on credit, like or supply one now.
For the NHI,
yes. Any other government institutions. But here's the case, how much more? 3-6 months, no. And then the idea man, then I'm saying 3 months, 6 months, I just can. But next can value no plan. But many way na Ghana ni biya wish for cash and carry system. No. And a be compounded problems near China. I don't know what you have to say about
You see, there is one thing. If so fear a cash and carry the and let me deepen your fears, your woes. Because under Rawlings, maybe because that's the fact I'm telling you. Under Rawlings, when we had the cash and carry system, Oko na ukotuesi kana wonyampa edaso. There were hospitals, wonyampa, a doctor hwew. Ene
Akufo-Addo call some president of hospital.
Look, Kasa, who the Kasa
Akufo-Addo gospel. The people
are watching. The people call hospital. okoto ne ewo
like that.
To say I have confirmed kasa wo de tena na kasa tra wait men kasa yare
you are suggesting say more about or your buy your person periphery ho
and obe
you are aware that the
Mr. Alaji, but you understand say the population at the time of Chairman Rawlings, yeah, I prefer my friend Chairman Rawlings than so all these are challenges that we are facing as a country.
The difference in the population is but resources and so Chairman Rawlings in here on the Omampenyin and Addo and Yano bear 100 folds or in 1,000 folds. That is what makes the difference. So the American resources in Rawlings in here, no, Akufo-Addo and Yano bear 1,000 folds. Or your sika or your amount stabilization fund, your amount, your person amount who brought my sika, your taxes, and so on training your man, your man. It is clear, sir. Even if you do that comparative analysis, Rawlings is far better. Because many check it and go to Kwelebo, move your mom from camera and be to say Kwelebo. That is the final referral center in Ghana, and ask Nipa or other Pasubia and say, how did he get the empana and not order so? And the yes and the people come with the area, fatal diseases. Now you assign your more coffee because empana no more better so. That is the case now. It is a cash and carry. There is something worse than cash and carry.
Kolebu a premier hospital, ne Konfanoche, everyone say the two biggest hospitals there were. More expansion be during more time.
Maza, why do you ask cardio center from Pop Watson party Ben at the buy NDC under Rawlings NDC under Rawlings most of the unit are in there Kolebu teaching hospital why airport NDC airport and no one can say you did 30 years. These are some of the benefits of Yadiaba. So what has Adnanado Akufo-Addo done in one particular hospital? You also Akufo-Addo say Wamusi maternity ward and Bibisa in conjunction with his wife in the foundation. To say Oko share the progress of
that one a 40-year-old project now
up to now but that is not the case that near Yede Bay and answer near Yampamba. Near what so no say, your woman Penia Yedi and tax mano. Taxes baby. You won't say ye young home fast. So let's deal with him first. Yes, his son will be bad. Then we deal with the person as well. Indeed, some make us answer Mesreme Bisagana for. Oman Penia Bedi Tribaunia. Eba Edna Krumha. Ebisa questions, bear 170 questions.
Yeah. Proud to 2016 lecture.
A year lecture. In the lecture back up via pages, bear 60 pages. You know, now or say in Senna, ye rule or mind ye economics in the Keka on lecture say ye nimi. Mesreme Bisagana for. Sadia now trade in a unimu humana. And as a neighbor payo. Domahama was
a question to Dr. Baumia.
Yeah, unimu humana because only more. This is where you must apply it. 170 questions no bisa for economics no the way fiana or kaya because this is when he needs to apply them.
What's our questions no
what the questions be kai so the American only man this is when he needs to apply it now you bisa the fundamentals sure we are in some way can no the major issue is $1 anamwa it will be a say $1 because if the dollar stabilizes even the taxes we can manage it but the American say to stabilize the dollar it takes a lot of effort. John Lamani Mahama examples now opposite the stabilize the dollar say emu aye kraba or the sika ebwa one in the northern region in 2017-2018 womo say omo say ababebre ama omo ton a womo de akonfirm e de ka ho ansamanfo ato enti womo ankoye biom wo de no tunja this is help directly emo no ye kra bebre sika ne bebre nyoma na ye to bebre no emo e ka ho. The second one is sugar. Oko marketer, those are the fast moving commodities. Sugar no and oka say we don't produce even 1 teaspoon of sugar until they be the dollar be kwa sugar until me kwa commander sugar factory. So on the American. I mean, straight and direct. Who say beboa? Pharmaceutical companies here work at and say and they more cash and carry you. John Mani Muhammad is a car concern massive because a draw and the 1 year old woman never buy anyway. Until also crabba. Until you so massive. Say over crabano, cotton machines in a band will chrome her. And NS chemist in the Ekeka Enya Sam Wanibi. And let me know catch a say, Antony Tovara Okroma. Anka Corona Bayana, Mauro, soon Antony Tovara, San Obeya, or Mobenebi, Ediama, woman crow for a Yari is in a area ora, a war, a baby as in them. Anka Ghana Yentimi, and Yensi Besubi, but John the Mani Mahama Daroma, Ninano or Moye. So this are clear to Musa or ye be the Abuama. Yet to me, a $20 no, they be a $20 city. Nanya, a bini one district one factory, abayi, ana. One district one factory, a produce then to export what? Because say, all countries why one district one factory, then we must see response. One district one factory, we have over events over 200 and something districts in Ghana. And I'm sad districts, you know, over a factory will be more. You will need enough electricity to keep the factories running. And electricity sign or their account near Ejamano to ensure say indeed the dream for one district, one factory real and he must meet it. On fair income, if every district should have a factory in this country, do you think our energy level can help it? He said it become. And today now by way say he has a dream. John the Man Muhammad, the dream of meeting some aspiration. Okay. Why yet? I bring into my the next 3-4 minutes and responding to a chamber of pharmacy for your
only vision. Vision. Dream. There's a when it's wadi hunu. Obi wiasia na ni swadi hu an so be ware. Obi o ho na this wadi hunu an so be to bicycle. Obi de soldier wanwura mu a na de no. Obi de opeso to Benz them one day. Obi se private jet me to be pay. Vision obi an de. Ebi de so. But all de no so the beer yeah na don't limit me. I don't limit myself like they do. Their vision is incompetence. And I'll tell you why.
How can you say that?
Me say their
vision is incompetence.
It's incompetence. And I'll tell you why. Me say money that's one you see, workers I say hospital. Bet you be. Say omo tom pagu ye ba nya bese sampa na kogu chebi. Anya no nko Ghana. Yes, una abo konfolochi. A champion Christ work. Oh yeah, a danka kraka. Wo mu Chelsea ho sa na. E dan e ba je afufuru tie dwiregu. Currently to solve hospital problems. And because when we came, the problems in Ghana are those. But yet born in our boss and now a day we are hit. But it shall pass. What agenda one wonder?
Oh yeah.
You see hospital war every district to solve all these problems that we are talking about.
Districts are any district
yes.
hospitals.
But so if half of the period, no, there's over 88 districts are hospitals. What the sense independent? We have come, we are fixing it. And I'm still fishing. And then we can talk. You buy Sukun kwala gufie omo people for nibi omo people who are so kosuan there obinum crash akonfo wa pass the parents in Jessica and fanen go school today I call it be person go school person back go school up to secondary school level even the university they say I start BB I friend I say the Ghana card kwa yeah man alone unesi obusu your phone bia so people are going to this is vision. It's broader, it's bigger. It's a huge thing that we started. And we shall see to its successful. But some policies we and they sikase muntino. And I'm saying this one shall pass. The hospital projects are almost all ongoing. And then when we talk about one district, one factory, but some vision, no, any idea, no, a vast, a big. As I say, a whole quine, a friend say, Africa's quine. No vision, no. I see whole quine. Aplau and a quina echo at the baby age now. They say one district, one factory. We want to create jobs. You perceive a team increase eco production so that we can even export. Dollar who are because of demand and supply. Any speculation. The team are produce enough for exporter. Obia obe export to adie. Fi krom ha. Wo ba wo the dollar na eba.
Chairman Michael Omarewa de meda wase e wo bre wonya ebre no aso. Alhaji Nasiru wonso ye beda wase.
So about apply vision and on and I'm a sofo. Muslimi ni on there sofo na ebo mpa ye ma no.
Dr. Umi Azam na. Ya fa na se Ampofo-Adjei ko kuma se. Na akota ma hene kwamna Asante achi amana ni papa na wotweda e wo Rich Park nti ye hia ho hodo mo na se so nkoma production team na me Adom free Badwam no Badwam e be sa ba bi.